Hey everyone, good morning. It is October 23rd, 2022. It is 10:52 a.m. I just woke up, took a shower, put my comfortable pajamas. It's raining outside, it's gloomy. This is the last time my skin is gonna itch. England water makes my skin itch after I take a shower. I never knew before that water can actually be so hard to your skin and can cause your skin to be itchy until I move here. Unfortunately, this is the legit first day where I could feel a little bit sad and excited at the same time because we will be moving in approximately a month and 7 days from today. Today I'm gonna start going through my clothes so I can see what I want to bring with me, and the rest will be taken by the movers so that it will be sent first. It's feeling real now, it's happening, we're moving. I'm excited, I'm sad, it's bittersweet, it's a mix of emotions, but here I am. So my segregation did not really go anywhere. I mean, I made a little dent because I kept listening to this music by Selena Gomez and it just makes me want to dance. I got a problem. Alright, focus mode. I'm gonna stop the music for a while. Otherwise, I'm not gonna finish anything today, and I really want to accomplish something at least. At least empty this closet. Love you too. Alright, let's get to it. Hey, so many dresses. Got so many dresses that still has tags, which means I've never really worn them. I just bought them and I don't know why. When will I wear it? Who knows? Probably never. Knowing me, probably never. I'm still gonna keep them because I spent money on them. It's a weird addiction. I should really stop doing that. This is such a cute dress. I got it from a thrift store. I haven't even worn them, but it looks really cute. Kitty! Alright, that's the first one. Let's move on to this little basket right here. A mixture of clothes that I use on the daily, work clothes and gym clothes. So now I gotta figure out which clothes do I need for the last month that we will be here. I can't believe it's happening to me. Some people wait a lifetime for a moment. I don't know why I'm singing to the box.
I am doing my best to not get distracted and finish the task at hand. I regret my life decisions at this time, or shall I say buying so much clothes. I was so overwhelmed by the sheer amount, but also happy that I'm able to get rid of some for donation. It will go to a good cause. Then I am just making sure my coats, jackets, and etc. are in a Ziploc bag, so it is golden.
Oh, the chili. I bet I'm hungry.
Sure is.
Because we had that pepper thingy.
Josh is also doing so well with organizing and throwing stuff away. Honestly, he did 98% of all the segregation and preparation for our move. He is an awesome husband, and I was at work most of the time because I did not have any leave, so he did most of the hard work. I am truly thankful for him.
Good morning, everyone. I look so fluffy. Anyways, today is the day. Oh, they're here, love. So, when I was trying to film and all that, the movers came as soon as possible. They did say they're gonna come from 8 to 5. It's between that range, but they were on the dot. Alright, that's why I cut everything short, because they were already knocking on the door. Anyways, I went out to buy some snacks because yesterday we were not able to buy them anything. Some Fanta. because they don't want anything else. So I got them some Fanta. Let's put them in the fridge because I think it's not that cold.
Packing is on the way, and the 3 people that are packing our belongings are crushing it. It also helps that Josh literally organized a lot of stuff in the house. There's only a couple of rooms that movers has to go to pack our things, and they were happy about that. So yeah, Josh did a really great job. Let us walk around my room. They're taking a break, so I have a little bit of time to show you around the room and what it looks like right now. It looks completely different because everything's back, but here it is. Righty, it's packed. And we go into this room. This used to be Josh's room with our computers and stuff. And yeah, everything's packed. It's getting real. We're moving. We're moving to Germany. It's sinking to me. I'm not teary because we're moving. It's because we spent 4 years of our lives in this house. Tons of memories. But you know, it's time to move on. I was so cringe, and I'm sorry about that. I didn't want to cry in front of the camera, but I felt it. Alrighty, update. So the movers are just finishing up. They are downstairs and doing all the packing for downstairs. And by the looks of it, I think we're almost done. I think maybe after an hour, I will keep showing you around once everything's gone and everything's bare. And then the next stop would be cleaning the house. Finally, movers are done with the packing. Actually, it was quicker than expected, I'm not gonna lie. Then it's time to load our belongings into the crates, and as usual, Josh is very helpful. Helpful is actually an understatement. Movers kept thanking him for the assist. I think he's just a really kind man. He is taking care of everyone. I know I keep saying praises on this video, but credit where credit is due. Alright, while I stay inside the house to protect my long nails. Kidding, I'm weak, I cannot carry anything heavy. But anyways, there's your stuff, off they go. See you in Germany. Just like that. They have completely packed. It is 12:38. This house is almost as empty as it could get. It's like 98% of our stuff. I'll say 99.9% of our stuff. Ta-da! This is our living situation. We got our box TV stand that one of the movers helped us make. That was so kind of him. It's very luxurious. We have our camping chairs. It is very comfortable at first, but then it started getting not comfortable. And don't mind me, I was taking videos for TikTok just so I can share what we're going through right now. Not going through, but what's happening with our lives. And yeah, this is gonna be our living situation for the next 3 weeks. We got our blow-up bed here. Blow-up bed is comfortable. I actually like it. I don't mind it, to be honest. But yeah, here we are. We're trying to get everything situated. It has been a long day, and we are just looking forward to relaxing because we did so many things. It has been a lot of hard work for the last couple of weeks, especially for Josh. I was mostly working at this point because I didn't put any leave because I want to make some money. But yeah, finally we're able to relax in a bed. It's not the most comfortable bed in the world, but then again, I said I like blow-up bed. It's not that bad as long as you have proper cushion, which ironically this doesn't have proper cushion, but it still doesn't hurt. Yeah, I still enjoy the blow-up bed. Everyone, we really want to share this because this is very sweet. Our landlord just came with the 2 kids that owns the house technically, and we thought they just want to walk around and see how the house is and check on it, but they brought us a gift.
Da, da, da.
It is so sweet. Like, absolutely, absolutely, absolutely sweet. I gave them all a hug because I love hugs, and it melted my heart. I almost cried. Like, I literally almost cried. I'm not even joking.
Rachel and Josh, wishing you all the best for the future. Love the effort, family. Aww.
They are the best landlord that we've had, and
Also the only
the only landlord. but they're the best, and I absolutely adore the entire family. They have been good to Josh and I, especially when Josh was deployed. What are you doing? Especially when Josh was deployed, they helped me like mow the lawn and all that. I mean, for free. They're just very, I can tell they're very kind and giving and selfless people, and we're very lucky to have them as a landlord. And this is our gift. Open, what is inside? And okay, you just made a mess, sir. When we first moved in, they even gave us some candies and chocolates. What?
Look how perfect they wrap.
I know. I'm pretty sure it's Job's wife. I can see her doing that.
Yeah, she is lots and lots of practice.
Yeah. I rap so badly.
Because you don't give gifts.
Wow, I give gifts. Look at that big box for my family. Do you give gifts? You're the one who's bad at gifts.
A white box.
Ooh. What's in the white box?
This is all it is. There's nothing inside.
It's a brown, I think. Or maybe it's
That'd be crazy.
it's a snow
wow.
globe. Am I right? Oh.
It's
Oh, photo cube. That is cute.
it's a photo cube with the
Aw,
house.
look. I love that, actually. That's a very good idea.
It says
Road, Rachel and Josh, happy advent. Aww. They're so nice. Thank you. That is
you
cute.
got your picture.
That's true. There you go.
Look at that. That's cool. Take some photos of us during our time here in England.
Yeah, absolutely. Perfect.
Yeah.
That's a good memorabilia, I must say.
It is very stressful, but I'm excited.